FaceTime, give me that iPhone 5. FaceTime, her body nice. FaceTime, give me that iPhone 5. FaceTime, remember when she tried to play me, this ain't playtime. I gave her the universe, you know, space time. Now I can hit you with some distance if you ain't mine. But if you is, then I'ma need the books and FaceTime. Now I ain't tripping off you, girl, just ain't forgot about you. Every time I think about you, every time I'm not around you. I drop my guard around you, probably why I thought about you. It ain't my fault I doubt you if you built the wall around you. Thinking back on the text calls, FaceTimes, deep talk, late nights, I wonder did I waste time? I keep thinking, man, was it the wrong place, time? Was it really fake vibes? Maybe we should make time. Girl, you know it take time, maybe we should take time just to have a great time, just for old sakes time. Hit me on the FaceTime, let me know a place time. You know I'ma pay fines just to book some FaceTime. Keep it real with me, girl, if you feel away. Hold me down and I tell you that.
Alright, peace family. Kareem aka K-Mac back again with another video. And again, that's my brother Southside City, CITI, on the intro, man. Go check his music out on SoundCloud, Tidal, Spotify, anywhere you can stream music, pretty much, right? Alright, so great. We here back with the 90-day challenge. This is day 14. How to make money online in 2019, right? For those that are interested, this is something you definitely want to take a look at as a way to add to your employment income or to add to your as another stream of income in general. Right, and $25 one up has a new elite level. So we're gonna go over the compensation plan, how it works. Again, $25 one up, what is it? It's a business in a box marketing system, provides all the tools you need for a successful online business, including video training, ad copy, email swipes. You have a Meet Your Sponsors page that allows you to introduce other business opportunities to your team, right? You have a YouTube room, which allows you to have more YouTube content for the diamond level and above. And also you have a company funnel pages, which are pre-built. So again, what I love about this is set up, ready to go. You know, we're not waiting around, procrastinating, trying to get everything perfect. We hit the ground running. All right, so why $25 one up? Why in 2019? Why is it one of the best? One, because it's instant pay. So if someone joins under you, then you're paid instantly the same day. As soon as they pay, that comes directly to you. You don't have to wait until Friday to get paid or once a month or twice a month. Instant pay, 100% commission. So the person that joins under you, and we'll go with the next bullet point, there's also 5 levels of income. So you'll receive any one of these 5, 25, 100, 250, 500, or the new elite level, which is this, 1,000, instantly. And 100% of it. You don't receive a portion of this. You receive this in full. All right. There are no monthly fees with $25 one up. What it is, let me just add this in here. You'll pay a $10 admin fee for the gold and platinum levels, and then for the diamond, which is the 250 level, the diamond enterprise, there's a $50 admin fee. All right, and we'll see with the elite. I'm not sure because that's not actually ready. That hasn't been fully launched yet, so I'm not sure on the elite. All right, so we'll say elite is to be determined. All right, wonderful. And also, again, so while you're receiving instant pay, 100% of commission, so all of your pay, and you also there's no monthly fees, right? You pay these one-time admin fees. There's also multiple payout methods, so you can receive your payment through PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, or cash directly if it's someone you know personally or locally, and then you'll go in the back office and confirm their payment. And then also, again, was another reason why it's so great, why it's fitting, is because it is a copy and paste, a franchise model system. So you basically, the ad copy is there, the email swipes are there for the follow-up, You know, you have all the training in the back office. Everything is there for you to hit the ground running. Again, with the pre-built funnels, you're ready to go. Again, I did this in my 90-day challenge, day one. You know, I went over the back office, what's included, the training, and what to do as soon as you get started. As soon as you join, what should you do right away? All right, guys, and how to join $25 one up. You could simply visit my site, you know, 5streamsincomenetwork.com. You could message me at m.me/$25 one up, or you can give me a call at this number between 9 a.m. and 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, so let's also take a quick look. So that's pretty much it. You know, this is why you should join. Is because what you're getting, right? You're getting training, marketing training to succeed online. Also, why? Because of the compensation plan, right? This is the compensation plan. It's instant pay, 100% pay, 5 levels of pay, right? So, you know, depending on where you join is what you're able to make up to. No monthly fees. You pay these one-time admin fees. Get paid multiple different ways, so there's no excuse there. And then franchise models with copy and paste is already proven. All right, so next what we do, let's just take a quick example of this. I just want to say with the payment levels, you know, there is one thing we have to look at, or I just want to go over, you know, let's see here. All right, so just say, you know, we want to talk about the different levels and what they call overrides and how to leverage. So just say, you know, John, I'm trying to write as easy. John, matter of fact, you know what? I'm not even gonna do it like that, y'all. Let's do it like this. Let's do it like this. Just say, John joins at the $25 level, pays $10 admin fee, right? So that's a total $35 out of pocket, all right? John recruits Dave, all right? But Dave joins at the diamond level, which is $250. All right. So what would happen is John gets 25 for recruiting Dave, and the remaining 225 is passed up to the so that's powerful, right? So John joins the $25 level, right, which is the gold level, pays a $10 admin fee, $35. Boom, he's ready to start his business. John goes recruits Dave. Dave joins at $250. He pays his admin fee, which is $50. All right. So Dave went way ahead of what John joined at. So John gets the $25 for the work he did. However, that remaining $225 is passed up to the person that recruited John. So that's the thing with this is that you know, it's a great opportunity. You want to start as at the highest level you possibly can. All right. And I understand some people don't have it. You know, that's why you're looking for ways to make additional cash. So you start where you can start, but just know you definitely want to increase when you make the money from the business, reinvest it in yourself, and then you move forward. All right, so that's pretty much it. And like I said, the new big news is that you know we now have the $1,000 level. So there's a total of 5 levels. All right, and again, we already right here. This is the big thing. The $1,000 level, is the newest one, right? So that's the enterprise level. So like I said, you could join here. 5 places. I'm sure when looking to make money online or looking to make money in 2019, your budget is somewhere within here, somewhere. So that's what we're saying. Keep it in here. Is that your in mind? Excuse me. Your budget is somewhere within there. All right, and that's pretty much it, guys. We're done for today. Again, my name is Kareem, aka K Mac. Definitely appreciate you guys on day 14 of the video, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.